Now, if you look at this is the red X direction, this is the Y direction, and up is going to be Z. And we know that because when you look at the origin XY coordinate system, we know that X is the red one, Y is the green one. And so now we're going to move all of these points here using amplitude. But since we only have these as frames, we need to deconstruct each plane into the X, Y, and Z vector. Now we know we want the Y vector. We know we want the amplitude to be 48, or whatever number this is. We'll just make it 48. And we'll use that same slider that we used as a reference line. Now that we have the vector, then we can move each point. So this is going to, when you plug in the deconstruct plane into the frames, it'll give you the origin point. So let's bring that into